Hey YouTube, I am back again. I know that it has been a really long time. I just suck at this and there's no excuse. I suck. This is my real hair right now. I did dye it red again, and you see my red towel and my red rag, so red is obviously my favorite color. But that is not why I'm here today. I am here today because I'm excited about a package I got in the mail. Urban Skin RX, and I got the supplements also. There you go, the Even Tone Support Supplement. It's like veggie tablets, and it says that it's natural. I just took one. It says take 2 a day. I just took one, so I'll take the other one before bed. I'm just gonna stop using all the products that I have been using so that I can really focus on these and give some real results to see if this really works. I got the Dark Spot Essential Package. I think it was $100. It was a pretty little penny. It was $100 something. The supplements was not in the package. I paid for it separately. You get this, which is the face wash. I am using my iPhone, so that might not be that clear. I mean, even though iPhones are supposed to be on top of their shit, you know. This is the Even Tone Cleansing Bar. It says 3-in-1 treatment. It's supposed to help brighten and improve uneven skin tone. We gon' see. And then I got this. This is Hydro Balance. It says Instant Moisture Infusion, formulated with hyaluronic acid. I said that right. Thank God. And I always hear use vitamin C for your dark spots, and I never do. I don't know why I haven't, but they send you this Super C Brightening Serum. It says it's for anyone with dark spots, dull skin, sun damage, age spots, etc. This is really big. You probably can't even see that. Honestly, I'm sorry. Night, it says Even Tone Night Treatment. So I guess this is what you would use at night, obviously. It's supposed to correct the dark spots and complexion correction while you sleep. And there's one more thing in here. This is the Derma Shield All Day Sun Protection Mattifying Moisturizer. Now, I don't like anything that makes my face dry because I am oily. My skin is oily, and whenever I use something to dry it out, I break out. So, I'm gonna have to see about this one. This is not paid partnership or whatever. I wish. I paid for these things with my own little coins, and I'm going to be leaving a real honest review. Like I said, as of today, I am discontinuing what I was using for a long time so that I can only use this and focus on it and see if it really works. And I really hope that it does. How can I feel pretty if my skin isn't pretty? Good morning. This is how I look when I wake up in the morning. Shocking, scary, I know. I just wanted to basically show you guys how I wash my face using all the products that I'm talking about in the video. So first, I obviously start with my vitamin. I pop one. All right. And then this is the wash that I was telling you guys about, the Clean and Glow Cleanser. So I added that to my routine using the Urban RX every morning. So let's just get the washing. Now that my face is all clean and dry, I do like to use this, which is the Thayer's Witch Hazel. I usually use the rose petal scent or the cucumber. It's just a face toner and it's alcohol free. My face cannot handle the toners with the alcohol. Burns it off. I tend to overdo it with this, but I just overdo it with everything. I spray this on and I just wait for it to dry before I put on my moisturizer. Okay, so then I go in with the brightening serum, brightening C serum. First of all, more than half of it spilled out all over my dresser the other day and I was literally sick to my stomach because I don't know how much it costs by itself, but I don't want to pay for it by itself because I bought it in a kit and then it had the nerve to spill everywhere. Anyways, it says about 4 to 6 drops, but me, I just put the drops all around my face and then rub it in. Ooh, that got in my eye. No, that really got in my eye. Okay, that really got in my eye. And then they suggest that you use the Derma Shield all day. It also has sun protection and it's a mattifying moisturizer. I only use this if I'm absolutely going outside. Since I'm not going outside right now, I'm not going to put it on my face because it's almost like a sunscreen. So I'm just going to use my Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion, which never does me wrong. Ever. It never has done me wrong in my life. If you guys see me spreading like product down here, it's because for some reason I break out here and here now also, and I never used to break out there. And that is it. Hey girl, hey. I don't like that. I'm gonna start again. Hey girl, hey. How y'all doing today? Honestly, I'm really trying to get better at this. I'm probably gonna try to post at least 2 videos this week. And maybe I'll just try to post a video a week just to kind of grow my page and stuff. I have so many different things to talk about and I just feel like it's a lot of different things that a lot of my beautiful sisters can relate to. Y'all know this is my natural hair already, but it's such a mess. Like, I need to trim my ends a little bit. I need a wash-in treatment. It's so oily, and you know, oily hair also like ruins your skin. So I'm trying to like push it back and keep it out of my face because my skin is terrible. Like I just have to stop and huff and puff. Why? I don't know. My skin goes through these periods where it's complete shit, and then maybe I'll get like another couple of months where I'm like, okay, check you out, sis. But right now it's not one of those times. This past month has been really bad for my skin. Like okay, so let's just talk about what I've been using. So I've been using Urban RX. I bought the Dark Spot Essential Kit. They say that they are the melanin experts. If you don't know what melanin is, pause right here, Google it, and then come back. From here, it looks like it's decent, but once you get closer to me, you might want to run away, and you might want to just toss this whole video away. But no, I've been using the Dark Spot Essential Kit for 4 weeks now, and I even bought the vitamins, which is the Even Skin Tone Vitamins. And I want this product to work so bad because I spent all of my money on it, and I'm not sponsored. Hello? When it comes to my skincare, I'm down to spend the money as long as I know that I'm gonna have the results and my skin is gonna eventually get to where I want it to get. So yes, I bought the Dark Spot Essential Kit. I also purchased an additional face wash, which is like the Glow something cleanser, because I feel like the 3-in-1 jar kind of only focuses on evening your skin tone, but I need something that's going to even my skin tone and tackle my acne at the same time. Now, this is an active bump that I actually just finished popping about 20 minutes ago. See, from here I look good, but when I turn to the side, I don't look good. I'm just trying to think of what I ate, because food, we all know, also does contribute to a lot of our skin problems. Too much sugar, too much salt, we all know it's not good for the body, period. And it also wreaks havoc on some of our skin. I'm gonna finish using the product because I paid my money for it. And I really do have faith in the product. You know, the first 2 weeks of me using it, I felt like my skin was changing. But here I am, I think it's like week 4, and I have all these new bumps. Shit don't work overnight. You have to be using it for a consistent amount of time. I plan on continuing this until the product is completely done. And then I guess that's when I'll do like another update. Sisters and brothers that are battling with acne, we got this. Okay, we're gonna figure it out together. I also noticed that when I'm on vacation, my skin is the clearest. Like, I don't have any bumps. And at this point, I just think it's the New York air is polluted, like, ill. If you have any suggestions on what you're doing with your skincare or what you're using, please drop it in the comments. I'm always interested in like maybe a product that I've never known about, and it might work. I'm gonna try to be more consistent with my posting. Sometimes I just really don't know what to post. So leave me some suggestions as well for that. And I appreciate the subscribers that I do have. I'm hoping to gain more. Please follow me on my other social media accounts. Talk to me nice, and I will talk to you back. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.